right, I have arrived. Perfect. Now I'm walking to my hostel, which is only like 5-minute walk. Everything here is close. It looks so nice, so country. Oh, nice. The bus trip was really nice. We stopped once for a toilet break, and for the rest, yeah. You know, the last part was pretty long because, you know, all these roads through the mountains, so you have to drive very slow. So I think we didn't even drive 20 kilometers an hour. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna check in, drop my stuff, and then find a restaurant to have food because I'm so hungry. Oh my God. And I want to have another coffee also. It is so cute here, and it's not that humid. It's not cold, it's not hot, it's perfect actually. Oh, there's even a bar named Amsterdam Cafe. Well, I feel welcomed here. That's good. I think it is somewhere there. Well, I see some cute markets, street dogs. There are a lot of street dogs here actually. I haven't seen any in Kuala Lumpur, but maybe it's a big city, right? Well, it is a big city, but maybe because of that. Yeah. Oh, and all these food stands. I think I'll have plenty of options for food. Oh, there are the dogs. Poor thing. Okay, I'm almost there. All right, let me give you a quick tour through the hostel here. This is a dorm area. Here you have the bathroom. And this right here is my bed. Enough space, a little fan, and obviously a little shelf to put on your stuff. They have a common area where I can perfectly work and edit my videos with some view and fresh air. And there's even a Christmas tree. I was just editing some videos today with Thunder. Tomorrow friends of me are arriving, and then we're going to the tea farms.
What is that?
Frog eggs.
Frog egg! Wow, crazy here in Malaysia. They drink crazy things.
Oh, yummy! Hello! Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Wat is dat?
Oh, dit.
Nou ja, hoe eet je dit? Yes.
Wow!
Dumpling stuff?
Yes?
No, the...
Oh, delicious!
Oh yeah, try it.
First time. Her first time.
Yeah.
Guys, here we are in Cameron Highlands. We're ready for a day of hiking. The weather is not so good, to be honest. It is cloudy, rainy, but we're still gonna do it. She's wearing her hiking outfit. I'm not so well dressed for this activity. Neither is she, but yeah. Well, we're booking the Uber right now, well, the Grab actually, to go there, and it's very cheap to take the Uber. Well, I keep saying Uber, but they don't have Uber here. It's a Grab, okay? It's just like 10 ringgit to get there, so it's fairly cheap. We're heading to the tea fields, the tea farms.
Mine is here.
All right, we're in the Uber. We made it.
Let's go.
And it's raining outside.
Oh no.
And it's foggy, so let's see if we do have some amazing views, because yesterday the skies were clear and it looked amazing. But I mean, if it is disappointing, well, I'm not sure. I don't think it's gonna be disappointing, but otherwise we'll have to take a Grab later today again to go back to see the sunset, because apparently that is beautiful over the tea fields, because the sun is literally setting on that side, so that'll be amazing. It's just how many? 9 minutes only, so
Where you come from?
it's perfect.
We're here.
We're here.
Laat je deur open.
What? Oh no! Stupid. Sorry. That is stupid. I just left the door open. That's crazy. Oh, thank you. Okay, so.
Okay guys, let's go.
directly. That's for the tram ride.
Thank you. Okay, guys.
Thanks.
A sticker on my.
Yeah.
Where do you put it?
On your.
In your wrist. But it's like a camera. It is een whole sticker.
We give thank you so much.
Yes, we just give it to him.
Only portion.
Oh, here.
Oh, this is wrong. How do I say this? All I just grab it in the list.
You sure?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Tom Yum Land. Yeah.
Tom Yum.
Welcome to the Tom Yum Land.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Amazing. This is, it looks fake actually. It looks like it's not real, but it's real.
It is fucking.
It's fucking real. She already got all our Instagram pictures. Okay, we're gonna walk all the way down and also gonna walk in between the tea fields, right? Let's go down the stairs. Oh my god, amazing. We're walking down. The rest of the group already walked down because we were so busy taking pictures because it's beautiful. Like every time. Oh shit, I'm in the picture. No! Oh, I wanted to hide for your picture. Ah. It is almost 11 o'clock and I'm actually surprised that there are not that many people. We are literally the only ones here and I've seen like 2 or 3 other families. I would have expected to be very crowded, especially around this time, right? Because everyone is going early and like, well, not everyone is going early, but the real hikers go early. There's barely anyone. So we're walking down to the little waterfall there and there's a cute small village going on. I think they made a playground for kids or something. We're gonna check that out and maybe we walk all the way up to the, ooh, oh, there's the little bus. Cute. And maybe we walk up to the Cameron Valley Tea sign. That's very high and I see it's not concrete, so I have new white shoes. Anyways, you don't hear me complaining. It is drizzling a little bit, but it's actually nice. It's not raining, but it's a bit drizzling, so it's kind of cool, you know? It keeps the skin cool. This is my first time in a tea farm. I've only been to coffee farms so far, and it is completely different. All the bushes are cut up at a certain height, right? They're not that tall. It's perfectly maintained. This could be literally the garden of a castle, I don't know where, you know? Yeah. So it was 4 ringgit to enter this park and it's not even €1, so it is really affordable. And the road, as you can see, is really good, so it's fine to walk with normal shoes, right? You don't need hiking shoes to go here. Oh, this is cute, guys. Look, the little river flowing down and the waterfall. Well, it's not really a super nice waterfall, but it's cute. This little river in between the tea farm. Beautiful. Awesome. So we're just gonna take some pictures and videos here. We feel at home with Dutch snacks here. Wow, amazing. But then they choose to pick a croquette instead of a frikandel. Yeah.
Croquette is better, anyway.
No, frikandel is better. You have 2 types of Dutch people, frikandel lovers and croquette lovers.
I'm a croquette.
And I'm a frikandel. Gosh, Shay is running. Everyone is still there. And then I saw Shay sneaking away. So now I'm running after her. Anyways, Can someone tell me why everyone is bringing their kids here? There are so many kids today. But I know why, actually. Because it is a holiday. It's Christmas holiday. Christmas holiday just started here in Malaysia. So that's why everyone is here, like all the families. Like everyone together with all the kids. Because of the Malaysian holidays. Okay, I'm getting close to her. I'm almost where she is. There you are. Running off. I saw it. Sneaking away. Oh my god, we're so close to the sign now. Alright, we're almost there. We're almost at the top. It's getting hotter. It's stopped raining also. So the cooling down part that we had is gone, unfortunately. There's the sign right there. Well, actually, I think we are there. Wow. Awesome. This is like LA. God. We made it. Awesome. I'm going to the sign to try to, but it's very slippery here. All right, I made it. Here it's the A from the T. Perfect. All right, look, here we are, guys, at the sign. I feel like I walked all the way from downtown LA to Hollywood sign, even though this is just, you know, you can do this in 5 minutes. It's not even that steep, but yeah. And all these kids running around here everywhere. Okay, I'm good. I'm okay. I'm gonna go back to the group. And my shoes are still good. Wow, I love it. I also went on safari with white shoes. Can you believe it? I'm pretty proud of myself.
You can say that, hè?
Yeah, you can say that. Yes. The monkey comes out of the sleeve. Yes.
Apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
No. Make that the cat wise. It's okay. Perfect. This has been a crazy hike, honestly. Worse than the sign. The sign was high, but this is insanely high up. So I'm sweating. I have a sweat mustache. Oh my god. No puedo. Up next, we're going to a strawberry farm where we will eat a delicious strawberry dessert. Look at this. We will also hitchhike. It is the first time for me in my life that I do this, and we will have an insanely difficult hike. You don't want to miss out on this video, so I put it here on screen for you to watch next. Click on it, and I'll see you there. Bye!